Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we normally talk about Excel related videos along with other Microsoft Office and Google related products. And we talk about different Excel formulas also in different videos. Now in this video, I'll show you how can you generate formula using AI. This particular tool can be used within MS Excel and you'll be able to take help from AI to write your Excel formulas. So let me show you how can you use it. So if you follow my mouse, I have one blank Excel sheet open, right? And what I want to do, I want to install an add-in there. So to install add-in, I need to go to Insert tab, and there I'll be able to find the Get add-ins. So I'll click on that, and then in the search, I will type AI formula, and then I'll hit search. And then I'll be getting multiple different options. What I'll do, I'll use this second one, AI Edit Formula Editor, and I'll click on Add. It will prompt you to agree the maybe terms and conditions. If I click on Agree and click on Continue, then it will take a little while to install that particular add-in in my Excel. And after that, this site pane should open and this particular option should be visible. Now, by any chance, if it doesn't load, then you can go to AI Edit Formula Editor and you can click the first option, AI Edit Formula Editor again. Then this particular pane will open. Now, let me show you certain options here. So now I opened one file where I have certain data. Now, I would like to show you certain options here. And let me show you one by one. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll just click on this particular cell. I'll click on this sum function, and then I'll generate that particular formula. So it's what it's going to do is taking a sum of all these cells. Now, why I have done it, this simple step, if I click on that and then I click on cell formula, it will show me that particular formula, whatever is written in this particular cell. I just don't need to click that. You can see it's showing that. There is nothing great here, right? But if I click on this particular icon, and if I click on that, what it will do, it will show me few options. If I click on this console option here, it is explaining that what is this formula all about. This formula will sum all the values in the cells from E6 to E13. And that's the exact case, right? In case you are not aware of any specific formula, maybe you have received an Excel sheet and there are certain formulas have been used and you don't know what those are being used for, then you can click on that and you can get a summary, get an understanding of what's this formula all about. So that's one use case. Now let me show you a few more options here. Now let's change gear and see that what are the other things this particular tool can do. What I want to do, now I want to generate one formula. Now I don't know the formula. I know what I'm looking for. So what I'll do, I'll click on this AI generate and then I'll type what I am looking for. I already copied some text and let me paste it here. So write an if function to update cell with rate. It will type rate for values between 17,000 to 18,000. So what it will do, in case any of the cell is between 17,000 to 18,000, then it will mention rate here. That's my ask. And let me ask AI to generate this particular formula. So if I click on submit, if I just minimize this thing, yeah, I'm getting a more screen realistic here. So what I'll do, I'll copy this formula. I'll just press Ctrl C and then I'll paste that particular formula here and I'll hit enter. Now what it's doing, it's showing that, okay, it's referring to this particular cell A2 because I have not mentioned anything in that sort. So in case I am writing here 15,000, nothing happened, right? But if I am typing here 17,500, then this particular cell become rate. So it sends that, yeah, this is a value between 17,000 and 18,000. That's why it's rate. Now, this is one basic example. This is the way you can use it. Let me show you another one. Now, what I want to do is this question. Write a formula to find the lowest number from E6 to H6 cells. Between this range, it will find the lowest value. Let me now click on submit so that it will generate the formula and it should be here. Yeah, it's already generated. And let's see it works or not. I'll paste it here and then I'll hit enter. So this is the lowest value among all these four cells. Right. So it wrote that formula for me. Now this is so these are the simple formulas, but I just thought of taking this example so that we understand it better. You can use it in multiple different complex situations also, and it will generate the formula for you. Let me show you another example here. Now here what I've done that we just refer this particular row, but if I want to take this entire range, what will happen? So let me type that particular ask. Write a formula to find highest number from D6 to H13. So D6, this is the cell, and H13 is this cell. So enter data, right? Let me click on submit. It will generate the formula. And yes, this is already generated using max, and if I paste it here, you can see it's referring to the entire data, and this is the highest value among all these cells. So this is another example. Now the final one, if I delete all these formulas and then I type another requirement, write a formula to update cell I6 with red. So I6, this cell as red, if any of the cell between E6 and H6 is below 20,000. So E6 to H6 is below 20,000, then it should mark here. So it should update here as red. So let me click on submit. It will generate the formula, and it's generated now. And if I copy that and then I paste it here, you can see that it's already referring to these 4 cells, and it is red. So because it is below 20,000. And now if I drag it down, then it sends in few other rows also in the similar type of things are there. So that's the way you can generate any of the formulas using these AI guided add-ins. If you're looking for some explanation about any of the formula, you can click on this cell formula option and you can go to console. It will explain you what are the things it's going to do. Right here, the parent formula, whatever is generated, it's explaining that how this particular formula is working, so you can get a full idea about it. So this is all about AI aided formula generator. Hopefully you will be able to use it. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.